All aboard! We're headed over to Anaheim, California to visit our favorite locomotive in Disneyland Resort, the Disneyland Railroad.
This attraction was originally named the Santa Fe and Disneyland Railroad, and it circles around the entire park. It's not only just a mode of transportation, it takes you around the happiest place on Earth.
There are 4 stations around the park where you can board the train or disembark,
with stops at Main Street, USA, New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland, followed by a visit to the Grand Canyon and Primeval world.
There are 5 locomotives in total, 4 of which were built in the 1950s. While aboard, you are treated to a trip through the Grand Canyon, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. But before you exit, you're transported back in history to the land of the dinosaurs.
While it's not the fastest way to get around the park, it's definitely the most relaxing. And keep an eye out for the sailing ship Columbia or the Mark Twain riverboat when you pass along the rivers of America. The conductors have a wealth of information, so don't be afraid to ask them about their experience or about the history of the railroad. And if your little one is lucky, they may just get a special junior conductor button from the Disneyland Railroad staff.
We love heading over to Candy Palace to get a yummy treat like a chocolate-covered pineapple spear, and then boarding the train in Main Street Station to enjoy this yummy treat during the 20-minute journey. It's a great step away from the hub of activity in the park, so don't be afraid to ride the ride twice. We give the Disneyland Railroad a 9 out of 10 Mickey ears.
It's definitely one of our favorite rides in the park.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.